Hi there.
Hi.
Who's leaving today?
Me.
You are. Where are you going?
Ivory Coast, Côte d'Ivoire.
Ivory Coast.
Yeah.
Okay. That's on the west side.
Yeah.
How long are you going to be gone for?
6 weeks and maybe more.
How long have you known each other?
Known each other for 3 years and 2 years together.
And 2 years together as a couple.
Yeah.
It's kind of living together, but not officially living together.
Meaning you haven't spoken to either of your parents.
His mom is a little bit like upset. She's like, she's from West Africa. You're an East African guy. You should be with an East African girl.
Your mom has a hard time with that you have a girlfriend or that you have a girlfriend from West Africa?
Marriage is a big step. So if I'm serious about a girl that it's from West Africa, not the same tradition, not the same culture, I might have a clash. But I never thought I was going to end up with a West African girl.
So how did you end up with this West African girl?
Glendon College.
Yeah. I hated you first.
You did?
Yeah.
Why? Did you hate him when you first saw him?
I think it was cocky. It was like, you know, those popular guys like in the university walking with the crew and thinking like, you know.
We run the place.
Exactly.
Who made the first move, would you say?
You have a necklace?
Yeah, I had a necklace.
And I was like, I like your necklace. He's like, yeah, you can have it. And I was like, he's not that bad. He's a nice guy. And one day, a kiss and a kiss again. We have been together since. I don't want to go.
What are you going to miss about him when you go?
Eating, sleeping together, wake up together, going to work, going to school together. Everything, I think everything. I don't know how our relationship's going to be, like when we're going to be away, because we never have has been like apart.
You don't know whether your relationship will be able to handle this.
Yeah.
I'm not worried.
Why are you not worried?
And then
It's okay.
I never felt this way about someone. I have nowhere else to go. She's my home. She's the one I think about for everything I do. She's the reason why I want to be happy, so that she can be next to someone that is happy. So she can be happy too, you know?
How are you going to convince your mom that this is the woman that you really want to be with?
I know she wants the best for me. I know she loves me very much. But, I mean, how can I get away from this, you know?
I think you're in between two, sounds like very powerful women in your life.
Yeah.
You have to disappoint one to be with the other.
Yeah. Yeah.
What do you hope the future is for the two of you?
Right now, just to be together. That's all I hope for. You know, grow old together.
Yeah.
Well, it's been a real pleasure meeting you both.
Thank
All right.
you.
Take care, man. Okay, bye-bye.
Tears woke me late, so late I could see the edge of time. Trying hard to keep my faith in magic, wiping my eyes on the moonlight and